Hi, Jason here from Corsair. I'm showing you guys the brand new mechanical gaming keyboard that we're announcing at CES. And what this keyboard is going to feature is per key illumination. So we've worked exclusively with Cherry to introduce the world's first Cherry MX RGB mechanical gaming keyboard. And what this keyboard is going to allow you to do is on a per key basis, you could set any key to 16.8 million colors. You have a selectable brightness per key and also selectable pulse per key. It's just going to really open up the imagination of a lot of people of how they want to program the color on this keyboard, and it's going to be available in 3 switch types. So right out of the get-go, we're going to have it in Cherry MX Red, Blues, and Browns. We will also be releasing new software that will go with this, so people can get in there and do customization to their macros, their games, light up different keys like WASD 1 through 6, QWER, or DF for League of Legends. So the customizability is just going to be pretty much endless of what can be done. We're going to be featuring a new internal processor in this keyboard as well. It's a ARM 32-bit, and it's going to be 3 to 4 times faster than what we've done in the K70. Also, we have to create a custom display controller to have all these lights go. So we've worked with a company to develop a controller that is usually seen in commercial applications and has never been done for the consumer market. So it's definitely cutting edge technology underneath. And what we're doing right now is we have a setting called reactive typing mode. So you can imagine when you're typing on the keyboard, you'll be able to adjust the ripple speed, the ripple color, and also the intensity of the ripple. And this is just it's just a really big step in the evolution of gaming keyboards. And this keyboard will be available on the market in mid 2014.